Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Quinita Charnell, and you know when you see the bonnet, it's time for another hair tutorial. Okay, so let's just get into it. I'm not even here to waste no time today. Y'all, I have seen this hair. Okay, let me back up. What I have decided to do is a Afro crochet series. I don't know exactly what I want to call it yet, but I know that I want to do this series. If you've already been following me a little bit, you've already seen the video I've done with the clip-ins, which I got so many compliments and so many positive comments and things like that. So, and I'll insert a clip somewhere over here. So that you guys can see. So that would be the very first video in the Afro crochet series. This time I'm deciding to do something a little different. I usually do Marley hair when I do my afros and stuff like that, but I wanted to do something a little different. So when I went to my local beauty supply store as well as checked on YouTube, I already have like a lineup of the different hairs that I want to do, but I saw this one, I was like, yes honey, I had to definitely get into it. So here it is. This is by Xpression. This is their twisted up category, but it's called the Spring Afro Twist. This is what it looks like. So as you can see on the picture, people also can make this into like the spring twist and bomb twist, and I have done spring twist before, so I haven't used this hair, I used something else. But honey, this right here, even the color, because I'm like, it's going into fall, I don't want to just wear all black hair all the time. Like, we're about to get into this color. So let's talk about this 950. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see with the camera, but that's all right, I'm gonna take it out the package. We're gonna get right all up into this. Now this 950 is supposed to be similar to like a very dark burgundy, and just taking it out the pack here, it really is. It's like a 1B, but it has hints of the dark burgundy, and the hair is very soft for me, you know, synthetic hair. I love the definition because my hair does look like this when you take it out of braids or twists, so it's going to be very easy to blend. And I also love the curls. Give y'all a little close up of the curls. I think these are super cute. Super cute. There you go. And then I'm going to try and give y'all a close up of the color. Can y'all see the burgundy? Can y'all see the burgundy? Sorry. Get that out the way. Very cute. Very cute. And I also like what they did. They gave you washing instructions, which is what this little tab here is. Washing and maintenance tints, 100% Kanekalon. Creates a trendy spring twist and bomb twist style. Very soft texture. Pre-separated and pre-fluff for easy installation, which is always great. And they said to prevent frizzing while shampooing, apply and gently massage the diluted shampoo to your scalp only. Allow the shampoo to run to the ends of your hair. Do not rub the shampoo through your twists. Dry the twist, gently squeeze out excess water and pat dry with the towel. Do not rub or roll the hair in a towel. Satin scarves are your BFF. Wrap your hair at night to reduce the friction that causes frizzing. All very good things, because I'm going to take this very same energy and I'm going to apply it to this fro. So, excuse me, y'all can hear my son in the background. He's watching TV or Netflix or something. So let me take it out the package so that y'all can see what this is going for. Now this texture is very similar to another texture that I'm going to be doing. I won't name it quite yet, but I have different plans for that texture versus this one, because I wanted something that's going to give me the real big afro look. So this is sectioned like they said, because it does come in sections like this, and then from there you can separate it. And all they have it done is in a rubber band to keep them like that. So these are the sections. Every curl that you see is a different section. So let me just count it up for y'all real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. You get 10 sections per pack. Now this is supposed to be a 1-pack solution, but I love big hair, so I did buy 2 packs of this, just to make sure that if I wanted it bigger, I can do that and I still have hair left over. Also in here, they tell you how to crochet, which I thought is also very nice. A how to crochet here. For those who really don't know how to crochet or haven't looked at it on YouTube, this will be very good for you. But I've been crocheting and doing my own hair for the last, let's just say 3 years. In between the maintenance of getting my hair trimmed and deep conditioned and stuff like that at a professional salon. So it doesn't necessarily tell me how long this is. No, it doesn't tell me how long it is, but this is the length. This is what let's just say it's about the length of my forearm. Can we from fingertip to elbow? About the length of my forearm, because that's just how the cookie crumbles today. But yeah, about the length of my forearm. So when you crochet it in, it will be this length. You understand? So it's important for me, when I thought about this, to plan my style accordingly. And that's why I said, if I ever decide to do an Afro series, I want something fluffy, I want color, and I want something that will mimic my natural hair. Because for this style, I will be leaving hair out. As you know, with the clip-ins, I had very minimal leave out, so I'm going to continue with that. But please understand, you do not have to leave your hair out. There are hundreds of ways to do braid patterns to where you don't want to leave, that you don't have to leave your hair out. So with this particular braid pattern that I'm going to do, it's going to be, so before I even lied to y'all about this braiding pattern that I decided that I was not even going to do, let me tell you what I did do. I did 10 straight backs to the crown of my head, or the middle of my head, and in the back I did a beehive. So that way you kind of guaranteed to get that volume that you want, but at the same time, it's not a hard or difficult style on your natural hair, because we're all about protecting our natural hair under these protective styles. But let's just be clear, that original braiding pattern, me leaving my hair out, that was just stupid. That was not smart. Like, just forget what I said. Pay no mind. Okay, so here I am showing you exactly what I did for my braiding pattern. So these are the 10 straight back braids that I was telling you about, you know, decent size, so that way you're not having a bunch of hair that's too big or too small. And this is the back of my head in regards to the beehive. So all I did was take the braids that were, you know, coming off the front, and then I went ahead and just braided them in here. Now I did speed this up because I was going to show you guys exactly how I did it, but I was having a hard time trying to figure that out. So what I'm showing you here is me splitting the pieces of hair to put it in, and I am doing the invisible method in the back, all around the perimeter braid, because the braid that goes around your head at the very bottom, that is the perimeter braid. So I did the invisible method all around the perimeter braid, and then I just did the regular crochet, put it in, put both through the loop, and then that was it. And I was like, let me just continue to try to show you guys, but it didn't work out that way. So here's the next clip. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you kind of where I'm at. This is one whole pack, because you remember we had the 3 pieces that was here, here, and here with 10 strands each. I have 5 more, well 5 more including this one left out of the whole first pack. So I was able to do the whole back of my head, and this is what it looks like from the front. Now some of you guys are probably like, oh, this is so big. Listen, I love big hair. This is what I do. I love it. I think the color is bomb. I have 10 singles going across, so I'm going to do my best to fill these in, but I will be splitting this probably into thirds, if not fourths. So stay tuned. I just want to give you guys an update so you can see. This is what the top looks like, the side, the other side, and what, y'all, can we appreciate a masterpiece when you see one? Do you, y'all don't even understand how excited I am about this fro. Like, do you see the color? Let me get real close so y'all can see this color. 950 is my new fall color, okay? Oh, I'm trying to calm down because I'm super like, do you see it? Can you see the luscious? Can y'all see this? I'm trying to get up. I can just lift the camera. Do you see this luscious? Do you see the luscious? Do y'all see it? Do y'all see it? Like, do y'all, can y'all see this luscious? Excuse me, I have to fix my shirt. Let me fix my mirrors over here. So, do y'all see this luscious? Do you see it? Like, come on, Fro. Let me do it. Let me turn around and show y'all the back. This is the back. Wholeheartedly, like, it moves. Sis, y'all don't understand. This is bomb. This is exactly what I was going for. To the T. I wanted big, I wanted bold, and I wanted curly. And I got exactly that. Like, let's stop playing with it, okay? As you already know, this was the Xpression Springy Afro Twist hair. And it came in a pack. I used 2 packs. 2. This is all I have left. And damn it, I'm about to put it back in here somewhere. It's gonna fit. This is all I got left. So the little pieces that look like this at the end, which I showed you guys before, little curly pieces, that's what you see here and everywhere. The pieces that are not defined is because I pulled them apart. Like I said, my braid pattern was 10 straight backs halfway and then a pineapple in the back. So I literally ordered 2 packs and was like, okay, I should have a whole pack left over after this. Ha! No, sure didn't. I got excited and I got to just putting it in, and this is where we're at. And like I said, more than likely I'll probably fit these 2 pieces in here. I don't see the point. What am I gonna do with 2 pieces left over? What am I doing? But y'all, this is everything. The color is everything. Oh, let me show y'all my scalp realness. Do you see it? Do you see this scalp realness here? Make sure y'all can see. Do you see it? Baby, you can't tell me this ain't my hair. Lady walked up to me, oh, your hair is so gorgeous, so beautiful. Is it yours? Yes. Yes, it is. I bought it. But that ain't your business. So, yes. Now, I need y'all to do me a favor and repeat after me. This hair, repeat after me. This hair is not for the weak, okay? The scared, the timid, it ain't for you. Because this hair, it commands attention when you walk in the room. This hair gets attention when you walk in the room. And honey, I'm here for it, okay? Okay. But no, on a serious note, like, I love it. I absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Again, I'll show y'all the back so you can see. This is what it looks like in the back. I literally cut a piece off about that much, like over here, because when I separated it, it wasn't cute. It looked like this. I cut the end of something that looked like this here because it was doing that. This I might cut if it keeps giving me issue, but I have not cut anything with this hair. I literally separate it and put it in. So in the back, like I said, the pieces that have the ends that are exactly intact, I did not separate. So in the back, I separated, maybe took this and split it in half, so I separated it 1 time, which gives you 2 pieces. The closer I got to the front, I did separate this 2, so like take a half and then you take those other halves, so I separated it twice. So it gives you 4 pieces. And then I'm like, here's my scalp. And I used edge control to lay down my edges, which was, here we go. Because my hair was freshly washed and conditioned when I put this in. This is the edge control that I used, this here. Absolutely bomb edge control for natural girls. So that's what I used. And I'm gonna attempt to tie my hair down tonight to leave my edges popping It may or may not stay. It's okay. It's like I said, it's like almost 95 degrees down here in Atlanta, so it's hot, honey. I don't expect it to stay, but if you do not want to have your hair this big, you don't have to. It does get big, and it does get big quick, so please keep that in mind when you're putting it in. I did do the invisible method. I hope y'all can see it in the back. So if I wanted to put it up, I could, because, excuse my kitchen back here. What's gonna happen is that the hair is gonna get fuzzy, and then it's gonna start getting fuzzy back here. So then what you do is you brush your hair up, you know, all that kind of stuff, and that will help you blend. If you're really anal, like I am about my hair, since my roots are obviously black, you can get some temporary spray and spray that right along the edge of your hairline. Not even your hair, you're spraying the synthetic hair. And then if you know that you wear middle parts, if you know you wear side parts, then you spray those areas too, and that'll give you some more coverage. And also, ladies, please keep in mind, if you do straight backs, when you're done with your hair is gonna like push back some. So get those extra pieces, break them off into smaller pieces like this. And I don't wanna pull this apart because, like I said, I might put it back in later. Small pieces like this, and fill in those gaps that are closer to your edges. Just be very careful when you do that. What else do I need to tell y'all? What else? Sleeping. I'm gonna sleep with this up in some sort of pineapple, and I'm gonna put my extra large bonnet on it. I don't have it in here, but it's a real big bonnet, and I'm gonna sleep with the bonnet on. And in the morning, I'm just gonna shake, hit these edges, and then I'm gonna go. That simple. But my boyfriend actually gave me the name of this series. I'm gonna call this the Afro Chronicles. So we're on look number 2, and I got 3 more coming. So look number 1 was the clip-ins. I showed that to y'all earlier in the beginning, and it's also, I'll drop it down here and below in the description box so that you can refer to it. This is look number 2. You know, this is, oh, honey, this is giving me all types of vibes. I don't even know what to call her besides fierce, bomb, bold, all that, but honey, this is it. This is it. If you have any questions, you have any concerns, wait, I forgot to tell y'all. You won't believe how much I spent on this. 2 packs. You won't believe it. $22.85. Sis, you think I'm playing with these budget hairstyles? I am not. This is what $22.85 look like, okay? Listen, get your mind right, get your pockets right, because I'm trying to save you. You don't need to buy all this expensive hair unless you got the money for it. But sis, let's get into it for real. I think I'm gonna call it luscious. Let's get into the luscious. Let's get into it, okay? Ooh, grab the hell out of my neck on that. But anyway, this is the hair. I love it. I hope y'all love it too. I hope y'all love my whole tutorial, because I really did this for y'all. Because I could have did this by myself and not even showed y'all, but I'm trying to be open about my hairstyles. Everybody always asks, so I'm trying to show you. But if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, please let me know. Drop their questions below. I will do my best to answer them. And I will also leave the site that I got this from. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in. And as always, please be you. Please stay on budget. Please keep moving forward. And don't forget to follow me on social media at Quinita Charnell for everything. Make sure to follow me. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys.